full day. Kind of sad. I didn't think I would be sad, but
I'm sad too. I'm just trying not to think about it. Because I don't want us to be sad at the end. So we still try to have fun before we go home. And then we'll reminisce. And then we'll go again another time. We definitely have to come back here.
kimchi, doenjang.
Oh gosh. It's so hot. Ooh. Oh, that's good. Oh my gosh. I told you that might be the first time that kimchi jjigae looks more better than the doenjang. Because I'm heavy on the bong. It's good. It's good.
Some more. Also, it has to be like a stainless steel bowl.
Oh yeah. That makes sense.
The kimchi inside is so good.
Yeah.
I don't know which one I like better.
They're both good. That's easily the best kimchi I ever had.
Hello?
Yeah.
감사합니다. This is japchae.
That one's so good. What? That's kind of good.
It has to be moving.
What do you mean moving?
Open it.
She's not lying. It's actually moving.
It's 산낙지. It was just alive.
What the fuck? Look at it. Oh my god.
He's freaking out a little bit.
That's crazy. It's literally grabbing the fucking vegetable and moving it. That is insane.
We should have just ate inside. This is hard. You have to chew it really well though.
Oh hell no, it grabbed my tongue. Wait, did you see me jump when it grabbed my tongue? That actually I never eating something alive, that's why.
Really?
Is this safe to eat, huh?
Yeah. But some people choke and die from this. Because they just swallow it and it just clings them to their esophagus and they can't get it off.
That's crazy. Then be careful, hon. I don't know how she does it, guys. That is quite insane, I'm not gonna lie.
맛있다.
I don't know how she does it. Wait, can I put it on my finger? Oh, never mind, I can't. I'm astonished, I don't even know what to say. I feel like I should have so much more to say, but I can't.
Wait. Can you try again?
Just me. Guys, Yenbun is not scared of anything.
I am. I can't eat bandegi.
What is that?
The bug.
Oh yeah. Oh hell no. Hell no.
I can't do that. I can't do
No bugs. No bugs.
chup.
There's no way. I ate literally 3 scoops of that, you guys.
If we eat it there, it moves more.
I think the octopus is gripping on my intestine right now.
You're looking so loud. Look how tiny this is.
It's like echoing.
Oh, what is this cheese? That's a little crazy though. You're so funny. How do you give 0 fucks?
My girl wants a video. I'll get her a video.
The way that you go even closer.
No matter what cost, I will put my arm through like this. What we have here?
Strawberry souffle. What makes it strawberry?
Just this, I guess. How I want to do.
Whoa, when I see you,
oh, when I'm gonna handle you. My posture.
What happened?
That's you. That's you. I'm a big dummy.
Kimbo is stinky.
What is it like that? Oh, Luna, when I get to you at home.
Oh, the dumbest, silliest, booniest, stinkiest, booniest, dummiest.
Why does it make your voice like that?
Alright.
Tea.
Coconut mango boom. It has like little sago.
Looks good. Mmm. That's good.
Ready?
Mmm. With the jasmine. Mmm.
It's kind of salty.
Mmm. The matcha foam with the jasmine on bottom. Mmm. That's good.
The jasmine flavor is perfect. Mango coconut boom. Guess how much these two drinks were?
2 boba drinks.
Regular size.
$9.
That's crazy.
One drink is like $8 these days. $7.75, $7.50. What do you think?
Not sweet at all. I like the little. It's so refreshing.
That's good.
I would cry this again. He's literally elbow to elbow. They told me it's the best guobaorou in the world.
Trust it. I'll trust it, but I'm gonna be really upset if it's not bomb.
마라 something 도삭면. 해물 마라 도삭면.
Everything.
Lotus. Oh, it's literally like 마라.
Yeah.
볶음 도삭면.
That smells good too.
맛있어?
It's good.
Really? Try the 마라. 맛있어? You got so red.
You're gonna like it.
Really? I'm so excited.
It's good, no? The noodle's really good. It's good, right?
I haven't had mala in forever. Guobaorou.
Whoa, wow, better be good. It just might be bomb. I want a good one. This one.
Yeah, that one looks good.
Here we go. I'm about to salivating. Hold on.
Is it good? Really? Do you take back what you said? Shut up.
It's good. It's good. The problem is I didn't need to know what the other one tastes like to know if I can say it's better.
Look at this massive almond store. Right. Does HBAF mean?
What does HBA stand for? Honey butter as well? I'm feeling HBAF right now.
Store is ginormous.
I'm just like
This is kind of cute though.
Oh, whoa. Is it a keychain? Oh, that's cute.
That's cute. If I was a HBAF fan.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not really feeling HBAF like that right now.
Healthy but awesome flavor.
I see. They should just use honey butter as fuck though. It's way better. It's more catchy. Huh? I guess.
What is that supposed to do?
I'm not sure. Oh my god. Look at them. They're so fluffy. I'm gonna take one home. Leo, wait till I send you this video. Oh my god.
We're in the alleyway of clubs, and I said we're going to a club.
Yeah, we're going to a club, alright? The dog club.
This is the club I took him to.
Oh my god.
We're waiting
one.
for entrance. Aww.
You don't want it?
You don't want it? So I
you
guess
do
I guess I
want it.
do.
I guess I do. I guess I'll eat that. Oh my god. He actually looks like Leo.
He just eats it and leaves.
Oh!
Oh my god. His paws are so big.
Oh my gosh. You know what we have.
Hey.
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 Look what she has.
He's so big.
What are we looking at, guys? He's sticking his nose through. He's so sleepy. Hello.
He's drooling.
What you doing?
Guys, what's wrong with him? The egg slapped him in the face. The egg punched him in the face.
Oh my god, I'm lightheaded. I'm lightheaded.
That one was like extra sulfur.
Oh, something's happened to me. It became an egg. It became an egg. Oh my god. Don't breathe. It's coming again. I can feel it. No. That was straight disgusting. Like, that's crazy. Last dinner. We're going to last dinner right now.
Last dinner.
What a way to end the trip.
You liked it?
Yeah, that was a lot.
Did you actually think I was taking you to a club?
No, I just didn't know what it was.
Oh.
I thought you were just trolling because we just passed the club. But I didn't think that you were like, you know. Oh, do you need to look at the map?
Yeah, I do. That's convenient. Or 편의점 run.
There's so much though.
So much we didn't try.
Yeah. Looks good.
indecisive.
None of them are calling my name. Okay. We're going to dinner time. We're eating everything.
We're eating everything.
Huh?
One last time. But McDonald's is actually the first.
We didn't get to try it.
Yeah, we want to try to see if they have any exclusives.
I'm not in the mood to see Kunosok's face right now. Not right now. He's smiling at me with that cute ass smile.
What kind of McDonald's closes at 10? I don't know
There's
what
some
time they
open.
close. Well,
I
they
didn't want
were
japchae.
closed.
You think
right
I
now.
want japchae? Hell no.
He's about to crash out.
I'm going delusional. Cheat style Nanda.
How dare style Nanda show up to his face?
I see one more fucking picture of Kunosok right now. Then I'll
What did
lose
he
it.
do to you?
I'm just not in the mood to see a smile right now.
Don't you? Why are you glaring at him? What did he do to you? He's just being beautiful.
I'm just not in the mood right now. If I see one more fucking honey butter as fuck one more time, it's legit everywhere. Like, it's on every corner. We don't need fucking 10. Make a McDonald's, bro.
For real.
Oh my god.
For real. Why are they even still open?
Yeah, don't.
When you put her as post.
Should we just fucking get the T-Bows for Choco?
Look at that thing. That's seafood.
Should we just get them?
What's that?
Yeah, we got one thing at least. It just better be good.
I don't know.
Last try. Just kidding. I'm aiming for a 3 out of 10, so.
Pretty high. Oh my god, it's popcorn. We're watching Korean TV while eating. I couldn't resist, but it smells sus. So one omu. Oh, smells kind of good. Soy garlic.
She's unboxing.
매콤 강정. 연제 우유 우유 생크림빵.
Can we put it inside the fridge for now?
Yes. You read my mind. I got yukgaejang. Kochip. Tina's also in a ojima phase. I don't even know if it's this. This is not even Korean, Kinu.
Yeah, I know. I just wanted it. I just
Kalbe
wanted spicy.
saida. This is interesting. I never even knew this existed. And then I wanted to try this horu uyu before we left, so we got melon. Oh,
What
I
egg
also
is
got
this?
ham tiramisu
Hun.
from Culinary Class Wars. Oh, I watched this. myeongdong cheonggyecheon mayo. Tongue twister. Of course, we need kimchi for ramen. 두부 김치 신라면.
Let me see if there's something. That store was so fucking packed. Like, I could not
Literally,
move.
everything was closed, so everyone was going to.
I don't even know why everything is closed. Like,
And it's a Friday.
yeah, and 3-day weekend too.
Yeah.
And they want to be closed at like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
Be for real.
Haters.
It was so bad. Didn't even want to look at Jonas' face.
I couldn't stand him right now. He's just smiling at me with that adorable ass smile. We got some TV on right now. We're about to cook the noodles.
Yeah, yours looks kind of bland.
Didn't expect it to be good. I fear.
I'm so sorry.
I fear I'm gonna have to
Oh my
have
God.
another mukbang tomorrow, you guys.
Ooh.
I'm gonna try chicken, guys. That's pretty good.
Really?
Yeah. Not bad. You don't like it? Really? It's not even that bad.
Tastes like old man breath.
Really?
Mm. Oh, I don't like that.
Really? Where you got a bad piece? It was not from bad.
Oh, hell no. That was so gross.
Really?
It was literally old man breath, you know?
Really? It's good though. I feel like it's more like a dessert than like a a bed. You
It
know?
would be really good with alcohol.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Wait, let me try this again. There's no way you thought it was that bad.
No, but that Busan one, life changing.
It was
Honestly,
good.
dare I say
She's gonna say top 1.
top 5.
That's crazy.
Dare I say?
That's crazy. You can't put food like that in it.
So who? It's my top 5.
No, it doesn't look like that.
It's my top
It's not
5.
a food. That is old man bread. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh, this cannot be my last meal. This cannot be my last meal.
Okay, Mama. Mm-hmm.
우유, 연세 우유,
Mm-hmm.
우유 생 크림빵 우유생 크림빵
Say it from the top.
연세 우유 go back.
You got this, you got this.
연세 우유생 크림빵 서울
Why is it soil? Why is it like one word?
Soil.
Soil.
Soil. We don't want it anymore.
You'll be alright, Keegan. You're doing good. Sometimes you just have Chinese tendencies. Whoa. It's so like...
Custardy?
Whoa.
Look, cream cheese block.
Oh my gosh, it's literally all cream. Where's the bread?